what are good reference books that help with gesture drawing and the 12 principles of animation?
All right, well, I'm prepared for this question. This is one of the classics. We have the Richard Williams Animator Survival Guide, which is highly recommended. I've had this since I was in school. This is another good one. Lots of great drawings in here, the Animator's Workbook.
Cool.
Preston Blair has a great one called The Art of Animation, which I have somewhere. And then, of course, the Bible of animation is this one, which is quite a hefty book.
Oh, yeah.
But it's been around for, I don't know, 4 or 5 decades or something, and it's got so much great information in here that still stands the test of time. There's maybe 20% of this book that's not going to be as applicable with current 3D animation, like the multi-plane camera stuff.
Yep.
As far as drawing, I have a few. There's a lot of great drawing books out there. One of the best things to do is just go out to a life drawing course and draw. What should we said is drawing is not essential to be a good animator. It's a good aid. It helps you be an animator. It helps you get your ideas across faster. Unless, of course, you're a 2D animator, then yes, you have to be a great artist. This is a great one from a friend of mine and my classmate in school, from Samantha Youssef, and it's a book called Movement and Form, and she's working on a sequel now that sounds really interesting. She's amazing. And this is another great one I have. This is one of 2 books drawn to life, and it's by legend life drawing teacher from Disney, Walt Stanfield. So I've been to some classes of people that took his classes and taught his method, and they were very helpful for gesture drawing.
Yeah, we used to circulate those drawings all the time at the studio. So great choices. Thank you.